Wenatchee County in northeastern Iowa, Chickasaw County in northeastern Iowa, eastern Malheur County in southeastern Minnesota, Fillmore County in southeastern Minnesota, until 9:15 p.m. At 8:22 p.m., severe thunderstorms were located along a line extending from near Riceville to near Alma to 6 miles east of Sumner, moving north at 60 miles per hour. Hazard, 60 miles per hour wind gusts. This is a radar-indicated threat. Impact, expects damage to roofs, siding, and trees. Locations impacted include Forestville State Park, Vernon Springs, Easoners, Fillmore, Wacoma Campground, Alta Vista, Fredericksburg, Racine, Carmona, Harmony, Boyd, Old Barn Campground, Wacoma, Ostrander, Broke, and Greenlee-Afton. This includes Interstate 90 in Minnesota between mile markers 196 and 204. For your protection, move to an interior room on the lowest floor of a building. Repeating, a severe thunderstorm warning has been issued until 9:15 p.m. for the following counties in Minnesota, Fillmore and Malheur, and the following counties in Iowa, Chickasaw, Fayette, Howard, and Wenatchee.